DeepSeek, the fastest growing AI, now the most downloaded app on the App Store. It's open source, meaning you can run it locally. Sounds complicated? It's actually easier than you think. In this video, I'll show you the simplest way. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to lmstudio.ai. Choose your operating system, click on it, and the download will start. Once it's finished, install and open the app. Next, go to Discover and search for DeepSeek R1. Choose the model size based on your needs. Larger models are smarter but slower and require a powerful PC, while smaller models run faster but aren't as advanced. If you click this icon, you'll see compatibility issues, so I'll go with a smaller one. Click Download, and it will start downloading the AI model. Once it's finished, click Load Model. And that's it. You're now running DeepSeek R1 locally on your computer. It might be a bit slower than in the browser if your PC isn't powerful, but hey, at least you're not relying on Chinese servers. Want to remove the model? Just click the folder icon, select your model, and hit delete, and it's gone. If this video helped you, I'd really appreciate a subscribe. See you in the next one.